The XM7, formerly known as the XM5, is the U.S. Army's version of the SIG MCX-Spear, a 6.8 by 51 millimeter .277-inch gas-operated magazine-fed assault rifle. Designed by Sig Sauer for the Next Generation Squad Weapon (NGSW) program in 2022, the XM7 is set to replace the M4 carbine. It features a reinforced free-floating MLOK handguard, allowing for direct accessory attachment to its slotted mount points. Fielding of the weapon began in March 2024. Back in January 2019, the U.S. Army launched the NGSW program to find modern replacements for the M4 carbine and the M249 saw. By September that same year, Sig Sauer submitted its designs. The SIG MCX Spear, the rifle's commercial version, is chambered in 6.8 by 51 millimeter .277 inches SIG Fury, developed in response to concerns that advances in body armor could reduce the effectiveness of traditional calibers like the 5.5 6 by 45 millimeter NATO and 7.62 by 51 millimeter NATO. According to Army Times, the SIG Fury represents a new intermediate caliber 6.8 millimeter cartridge, introducing the MCX Spear, the civilian model of the Army's XM7 rifle. Available now in 7.62 by 51 and coming soon in .277 SIG Fury, this rifle represents the next generation of firepower. Key features of the SIG MCX Spear include civilian version of the Army's XM7, available in 7.62 by 51 with .277 SIG Fury coming soon. Non-reciprocating charging handles on the side and rear for flexibility in any shooting position. Fully ambidextrous controls including bolt catch and release. Integrated stainless steel QD mounts in the lower receiver for secure sling attachment. Coyote anodized finish. Interchangeable barrel for fast caliber conversion. Two-position adjustable gas valve for use with or without suppressors. Comes ready for SIG, SLH, SLX suppressors with QD flash hider. Two-stage match trigger. Magpul SLM stock, foldable and adjustable to 6 positions. Includes one 20-round magazine. The first batches of XM7 and XM250 units were delivered to soldiers in the 1st Battalion, 506 Infantry Regiment, part of the 101st Airborne Division. Field training is scheduled to begin in April. Prior to this, cold weather testing wrapped up in early March at the Cold Regions Test Center in Fort Greely, Alaska. According to Colonel Jason Bohannon, head of the PEO Soldier Lethality Project, the NGSW rollout reflects an exhaustive and soldier-led process of design, testing, and feedback. The goal to deliver the most capable, reliable, and modern small-caliber weapons and ammunition the Army has ever fielded. As part of the FY 2025 NDIRMA budget proposal, the U.S. Army plans to procure 111,428 XM7 rifles, 13,334 XM250 light machine guns, 124,749 Vortex XM 157 NGSW FC fire control optics. These new systems are expected to significantly improve range, accuracy, time to target, and overall lethality, while also reducing flash and sound signatures. Mobility and ergonomics are also greatly enhanced. The XM7 and XM250 were officially selected as part of the NGSW program on April 19, 2022. The XM7, previously XM5 or NGSWR, is replacing the M4/M4A1, while the XM250, formerly NGSW-AR, is set to replace the M249 SAW. Both use the 6.8 by 51 mm .277 SIG Fury hybrid cartridge with projectiles supplied by the U.S. government. XM7 overview built on the AR platform and based on the commercial SIGM CXSPEAR. The XM7 is a modular, multi-caliber rifle compatible with .277S IGFURY, 6.5 CREEDMOOR, and 7.62 by 51 NATO via barrel change. Key specs: Rear and side non-rotating charging handles, adjustable 6-position folding stock, ambidextrous controls and magazine release, precision 2-stage trigger with reduced pull weight, 2-position adjustable gas piston, lightweight free-floating M-lock handguard, full-length Picatinny rail, feeds from 20-round magazines, overall length 86.4 centimeters, height 20.24 centimeters, width. This channel brings you the latest and most up-to-date information 33 on military security 13 inches. Make sure to support the channel by clicking subscribe and turning on the notification bell for more updates.